Hello all, welcome to session 113. In this session, I'm going to practically demonstrate how to handle multiple windows in Selenium Python. So let's get started. First of all, we have to know what exactly are these multiple windows. Let me show them directly. I'll open this Chrome browser and I'll browse a sample application, say omaya.blogspot.com. Once the application is opened, so at this moment only one default original browser window is open, right? But if I click on a link here saying open a pop-up window, I'm going to get another window. At this moment, how many windows are there? There are two windows, the original default window and there is a child window. Okay, there are two windows. So these are the two windows, guys. But can the Selenium automate these two windows? Is it possible for the Selenium to handle these two windows or automate these two windows? Yes, it is possible, guys. There are some commands in Selenium Python using which we can handle multiple windows. One of the command is current window handle command and other one is window handles commands. Okay, current window handle and window handles command. Okay, there are two commands. Now let me practically demonstrate these commands for you. For that, I'll open this PyCharm ID where we have this Python file having some sample automation code which is already written for opening the Chrome browser, for opening the application URL, and for maximizing the browser window. So first of all, it will open the Chrome browser like this. After that, it will open the browser sample application. After that, it will maximize the browser window. Okay, these three steps are done using this automation code. At this point, how many windows are there on the screen? Only one window, right? There are only one window. The moment you click on this open a pop-up window, you'll get two windows. Second window will come. But at this moment, before clicking on that link, you have only one window. Can we capture this window? Can we capture this default original window using Selenium Python? Yes. For that, we have to use a command known as current window handle command. So here I'll write driver dot current window handle. Okay, this will capture the current window. Only one window is there. That window will be captured by the current window handle. We can store that into a kind of variable, guys. I will say original. Okay, original window. I'll just name this as variable as original window. So what will be stored into this original window? If I print this original window, what will be printed, guys? If I print this original window, what will be printed? The unique ID of this current window. Okay, at this moment, whatever the window that is open, right? For that window, whatever the unique ID is there, that will be printed, guys. Every window will have a unique ID. The unique ID of this window will be printed in the output if I run this code. Let me run this code. You'll see that in the output in a while. After this automation script has been completely executed, you will see a kind of unique ID for that window printed in the output. Okay, you see the script has been executed completely. If you go to the PyCharm ID in the output, you see you got a unique window ID. Okay, unique ID of this particular default original browser window got printed in the output console here. Okay, fine. You don't have to print it out, guys. I just want to show you like what will happen if you print a unique ID. Okay, if you print a window, you'll get the unique ID of that window will be printed in the output. I just want to show you that. Okay, so fine. We captured the that original default window into this original window variable. Fine. This one has a original default window. Now what I want to do is next thing is I want to click on this link, guys. Okay, I want to click on this open a pop-up window link so that I'll get the child window. Okay, so how to click on this? I'll right click, inspect this. I'll get the HTML code here of this open a pop-up window. So this is nothing but the link text, guys. There is a text between the tags. So I'll copy this link text and go here and say driver dot find element by link text. I'll provide the link text here and say dot click. That's it. Okay, I'll say dot click. This will click on the open a pop-up window and you'll get this new window. Okay, child window. You'll get the child window. Now what I will do is at this moment on the screen, how many windows are there? Is there one window or two windows? There are two windows. Original window is there, child window is there. There are two windows. How to capture these two windows? Earlier, we were able to capture only one window. Using this command, we are able to capture the current window. Okay. But at this moment, after you click on this open a pop-up window link, there are two windows. Currently, there are two windows. Can we capture these two windows? How to capture these two windows? Yes, we can capture the two windows, guys. For that, we have to use another command, that is window handles. This will capture multiple windows, okay, that are currently opened on the screen. At this moment, how many windows are opened? Really, two windows. If you want to capture them, you have to use this command, current window handles command. How to use? I'll say uh, driver dot, okay, window handles. Okay, if I say driver dot window handles, how many windows will come? Two windows. I'll store them into windows, guys. Okay, this is set of windows. This variable is not a single variable, guys. It is a set of variables. Okay, you already know about set, right? In Selenium, in Python programming, we have some concept known as collections, concept known as set. Okay, this is not a variable, guys. It's holding multiple windows. It's a set of variables. Okay, set of windows. Fine. Now I'll write a for loop, guys. For this particular set, I'll create a for loop. I'll say for window. Window is a variable. I'm just creating a new variable known as window, or I'll say w in, for w in windows, or I'll say window in windows, whatever it is, fine. So there are multiple windows here, guys. Okay, so for window in windows, I'll write a statement here saying, so if I capture multiple windows here, if I capture multiple windows here, I am writing a for loop so that I can iterate through all the two windows. First of all, what I want to do is I want to switch to the windows, guys. Okay, I want to switch to the specific windows. Okay, I want to switch to these windows, and I want to print the title of the windows. Okay, I just want to print the title of the windows. So how to switch then? How to switch to the windows? So for that, I have to write driver dot switch to. There's a command known as switch to dot window of. Okay, I'll be writing win. Okay, it's better, right? Window in windows. Okay, here there is a problem. I have to, spelling mistake is there. That's why error is coming here. Windows. This is windows, not window. Not okay. There was spelling mistake. I corrected. For win in windows, driver dot switch to of window of this particular window. Okay. So this you already know about for each loop, right? How does it work and all? Okay. You already know about for loop. How does it work with sets? You already know. So for win in windows, driver dot switch to dot window of win. Okay. So it will switch to a particular window, guys. In the first iteration, okay, in the first iteration of this for loop, one of the window that is stored in one of the window that is stored in this windows will be assigned to this win, and to that particular window we are switching using this command known as switch to command. Switch to is another command, guys. Apart from this commands we have here, okay, there are current window handle command, which will only capture the current only one window, currently active window. Okay, this will capture the currently active window. But whereas window handles, irrespective of whether the window is active or not, it will capture all the windows on the screen. Okay, and apart from that, we have another command known as switch to window command. Okay, this one, switch to window. So since there are multiple windows, we have to switch between the windows. Okay, in order to perform operation on one of the window at a time, you have to switch to that particular window and perform the operation. Okay, so to switch to that particular windows, we have the switch to dot window, and in the first for loop, one of the window will be assigned here. That window we are switching. We don't know which window we are switching. We are switching to the original default window or child window. We don't know. Whatever these windows will be assigning to this win, that particular window will be switching to. Okay. Now I want to print the title. Okay. I want to print the title of that particular window. Print the title of the window. Let's see, out of the multiple windows on the screen, which uh, which window title will be printed first. Let's see. Okay, if you see the title of this, okay, if you see the title of this original window, that is omayoqfox.com, then we switch it to the this window. Okay, if you see the title of this one, then we have switched it to the this window. Okay, like that. So we are trying to print the title of the windows. Okay, fine. Let's see what will happen. So yeah, let me run this code, guys. Let's see what will be printed. So I'll simply say, after this I'll say driver dot quit. Okay, simply I will say driver dot quit. Let's see what will happen. Run this. So it will handle multiple windows, guys. Okay, we are going to switch to multiple windows and get the title of the windows. You see, first it switched to the default original window only. After printing the title, you see in the first for loop, it switched to the original default window. After that, in the second iteration, it switched to the second window and printed the title of the second window. After that, both the windows got closed. Okay, multiple windows can be closed using the quit command. That's fine. But I want to tweak this code a bit. Okay, I don't want this code to be like this. Rather, I want to write something different. Here I will say, for in Windows, if, okay, driver dot title, okay, if this driver dot title is equal to, if it is equal to uh, the other window, let's say if it is equal to basic web page title, okay, I want to close this window first, guys. Okay, let's say I want to write something where I want to write some code where I want to switch to the child window and close it first. After that, after closing the child window, I want to switch to this default original window and close it. Okay, this is what I want to do. First, I want to switch to the child window and close it. After that, I want to switch to the original default window and close it. Okay, so that is the kind of thing I want to do. So for that, what I have to do here, let me get the title of this. We already got the title in the output, right? Let's see whether we have that title in the output. Yeah, it got cleared, guys. That's fine. So fine, I'll get it from here. I'll get the title from here. So I'll inspect somewhere and get the page title. So it will be mostly in the head tag, somewhere in the title tag. Okay, title. This is the title, guys. Okay, this is the title of this page. If the title is equal to this one, then we have to switch to that. Okay, if the driver dot title. Okay, fine, fine. I have to do something here. Before this, I have to do something. Have to say we got the window, guys. First, we have to switch to the window, right? Then only we can confirm this. Okay, driver dot switch to dot window. I'll give window. I first of all I switch to the window. Then I am verifying the title. Okay, if the title of this particular switched window is this one, I don't want to do anything. Okay, I don't want to do anything. Okay, I'll say true. Okay, so I'll have to say true, I guess. Okay, true. Okay, this is what I have to write. If I don't have to write any lines, I have to simply write true, guys. Okay, if I don't have to write any statements, I can write simply true. Else, otherwise, if the title is not equal to omai of qfox.com, if the title is not this one, if it's not matching, then definitely the window is going to be the child window, right? By using the title, I can find out whether that is a child window or default original window. Okay, if the title is equal to this one, it is a default original window. Otherwise, it is a child window. Okay, so else block will be executed if this is not equal. Then in case of else block, what I will do is I will simply say I'll close the browser, guys. Okay, close the child window first. I'll simply close it. Okay, it will only close the current active window, that is child window will be closed here. After that, okay, I'll say time dot sleep of, or the mouse on the time, import this time from, okay, from where it got imported. Not this one, guys. It should be imported from, maybe I'll see, over the mouse on time. Now import this. Yeah, this is the time, guys. Okay, I just made capital T. That's wrong. Small t. Time dot sleep. So this will wait for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, I want to close the original window. Okay, original window I want to close. Since we already captured this original window here, what we can do is we can switch to this original window. For that, we have to write the code like driver dot switch to dot window of this original window, and say I'll now say driver dot close. Okay, driver dot close. This time it will close the original window. Okay, this time it will close the original default window. So let's run this code, guys, to see like whether the, first of all, we should not be closing the original default window first. It should close the child window first. Okay, this particular logic will close the child window first, and after that the original default window should be closed. Okay, let's run this code and see whether that is happening or not. Should happen, guys. So if you are able to understand this code, then you will understand how to handle multiple windows, guys. Okay, by using the title, we are checking whether that is a child window or parent window or original default window. You see, first child window got closed automatically. After 5 seconds, the original default window got closed. Okay, if you're able to understand this logic, then you will understand all the commands like current window handle, okay, window handles, and switch to command. All these commands you will get to know or understand only if you are able to do this logic, guys. Okay, first I'm capturing the original window into this variable. Then I'm clicking on the open a pop-up window where we'll get to multiple windows here. So I'm capturing the multiple windows using the window handles into the windows. this is a set of windows. So I'm using the for loop with this particular window set, and then I'm switching to one of the window and checking that particular window that I have switched to in the one of the iteration is matching with this title or not. If it is matching with this title, I don't have to do anything. If there is another title, okay, if this is not matching with this title, means that is going to be a child window only, right? Then I'm taking a decision where I want to close the child window first. Okay, I'm closing the child window first by matching with that. If this particular title is not matching with this one, then I'm closing the child window. Then after that, I'm waiting for some time and then switching to the original window and closing the original window. Okay, here we already captured the original window, original default window here. Using this, I'm switching to this window and closing that original default window also. That is what I have done in this code, guys. Okay, this is a code, guys. This is a code. Okay, so we'll do one thing. I'll just provide this code, guys. Okay, I'll provide this code to you in the notes. If you want to practice, you can practice. Okay, so what I will do, handling windows, right? So let me see where it is. Okay, fine. I'll just share this code here in the notes, guys. Okay, you can get the notes. Okay, from the notes you can get the code. Download code from here. Code here. I'll put the link to this. Okay, no need to worry. So hope guys you understood how to handle multiple windows in Selenium Python. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.